welcome back. It's a beautiful summer morning here in London, and obviously I don't want to be spending time in my kitchen cooking, so we're going to do something that is a no-cook meal today. Stay tuned. Today on the menu, we have this no-cook vegetable salad with lentils. The lentils that I'll be using is Moong dal, and again, this needs no cooking either. You're curious, right? Then you'll have to watch the video. Also remember to watch till the end for my pro tip as usual, and check out my social media pages and website for more interesting content on healthy lifestyle. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. For the salad, we need some veggies that can be eaten raw, some greens, lentils, maybe tofu, maybe nuts, and a secret ingredient. Remember, this is an oil-free salad. Top and tail the carrots and chop into small rounds. I'll tell you why. You can also grate it if you want. With the cucumbers, again, cut into small rounds. Don't grate the cucumbers, otherwise the whole salad will become watery. I have all three colors of peppers because they all have different plant nutrients. Cut like you're cutting off the sides of a box. I have some radish from my veggie pot. Again, top and tail it. I have 2 chilies, one green and one red. They're quite large. Just cut in the middle and scoop out the seeds with a spoon, and also the white fiber to reduce the heat. Next comes mango, and this is totally optional. And I have these lovely cherry tomatoes from my garden. Again, I'm using different colors, actually trying to eat the rainbow here. Halve them. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, don't worry, you can just use any tomato. All you have to do is chop it. Onions in salad, controversial. Again, I'm going to cut that into small rounds. And here comes my chopper. Just go chop, chop, chop. First the cucumbers, then the onions. Omit the onions if you don't like them. Then comes the humble radish. Then lovely orangey carrots. So this is why we cut them into rounds, so that they chop into uniform pieces in the chopper. Mango with the skin. Peel the skin if it's too thick. My chopper is full, so let me transfer to a nice salad bowl. Chop the peppers to the same size too. You can make them into strips as well if you want. I'm using a smaller blade to chop the chilies so that you don't get a big chunk of the chili at any time you chew. I have pulled out the lettuce leaves and washed them thoroughly, and then I'm going to chop them into thin strips. Just roll them so that you can cut them easily. Again, with the spinach, I've washed and removed all the water from the spinach with the salad spinner. These are small leaves. You can chop it too if you want to mash the lettuce strips. All the veggies and greens are in the salad bowl. Next up are moong dal. I have soaked it overnight. Actually, soaking it for 4 hours is enough. You don't have to cook it. It tastes beautiful just like this raw. But if you don't like the idea of eating it raw, I suggest you cook in the microwave for 5 minutes at 1000 watts with some water that is enough to cover the lentils. I said we're not adding oil, so I'm going to add some shredded coconut for fat. Season with salt. Add in some pepper. You can also add a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Totally optional, but there's a lot of veggies in here, so you do need some spice in it, right? We need a source of calcium in our salad, so I'm using this calcium set tofu. I'm going to use it raw. All I'm going to do is just crumble it in. Again, this is optional. You can also use some cheese if you want, or totally skip the tofu. Next, add in the lentils. This is the protein part of a salad. This is enough even if you don't add the tofu for the protein content of the salad. I also have some nutritional yeast, which is fortified with B12. They look like rice flakes and they have a cheesy and nutty flavor, and I really like it. You can either use it raw or you can actually toast it slightly in the pan and then add it. Again, this is totally optional. It's just me giving you ideas to up the nutritional value of the meals. Now comes the secret ingredient, which takes our salad up a notch. That is toasted and powdered sesame seeds. Add about 2 tablespoons and then give everything a good mix. What salad without herbs, right? These are my Bordeaux basil leaves just grown in water. I'm going to add some of it to the salad. Chop the basil leaves and add to the salad. I just use scissors because it's really easy to cut them. Coriander leaves works brilliant with this salad, but I didn't have any at home. However, I've got some homegrown chives which I'm just going to add to the salad. You can use any herbs of your choice. More herbs means more antioxidants. And lastly, squeeze in some lemon juice. I use the juice of 1.5 lemons. More vitamin C. Mix everything and the salad is ready to serve. I have transferred our epic salad to these lovely looking serving bowls to add some crunch, and for the whole grain component of the salad, I have got some tortilla chips. These are actually store-bought, but they're very easy to bake at home too. Add more of the toasted sesame seed powder if you desire, and that's it. Our epic, nutritious, delicious, wholesome salad is now ready to enjoy. So, I hope you enjoy making this quick, easy and versatile salad. It's not just for bright sunny days like this, but you can make it throughout the year and enjoy. Chop and change the ingredients as per your choice. In our pro tip today, I want to talk about fats in salads. Have you ever wondered why we keep adding olive oil all the time to salads? There is a reason for this. You need at least 3 grams of fat per meal for the nutrients in the greens to be absorbed efficiently. So there is a method behind this madness. So don't hesitate to use fats in your salad. It doesn't have to be olive oil. Like we have shown, we can use any kind of fat. That's it from me today. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.